Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of PayPal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can confirm or verify your email address on PayPal. I'll be guiding you throughout this video, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to verify, first of all you'll have to log in into your account. So in order to log in, open up your web browser and on the search box type in www.paypal.com, and I will also leave the link on my description box below. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll be directed to your home page. Once you're on the home page, tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the gear icon, next page you have this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is you'll have to tap on confirm your email in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on confirm your email, next page you'll have to enter the email address for the confirmation. And once you're done entering the email address, tap on the verify. So as soon as you tap on verify, on the other page a confirmation email or a verification email will be sent. So what you need to do is you'll have to open up your email, and once you open up your email, next page you have this kind of interface. You can see right at the bottom there is an option as confirm my email address. So all you need to do is tap on the link. Once you tap on the link, in order to confirm your identity, you'll have to enter the password that is associated with your PayPal account. And once you're done entering the password, tap on confirm my email, which is right at the bottom. If the provided information is correct, you'll be directed automatically to your home page of PayPal, which indicates that you've successfully verified your email on your PayPal account. So that is how you can confirm or verify your email address on your PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.